dirty underneath here, but got some wiring done for my Gen2 watt box and the Mismo reservoir 2018 manifold locked out. There's some stuff I done since I had the car, so I've been having the car since 2015. So got the long tube headers down there. Also got BMR motor mounts, brackets. Still on the stockade member. So that's that on that. Already been making videos of the BMR, lower springs, the suspension, and everything. So pretty nice day outside. Besides, it's a little cloudy. You know, a little cloudy in Texas. You know. Shut the hood. Got these Ford racing valve covers on there. Well, the cover plates. You know, everybody know about the donkey dick PMAS. So stock throttle body. Does have oil pump gears, crank sprocket. Got the made a video of that braided line. I routed that all the way over there to the slave cylinder that goes inside, that's on the side of the pedal. So we're gonna shut the hood on that. Like I said, got the Gen2 watt box right there. Appreciate my buddy for giving me these floor mats. Like I said, full interior, guys. Full interior. Ain't no reason to be gutting your car into a tin can, you know. Especially if you got that that queen that you want to take out on a date. She don't want to be riding in no tin can, you know, unless you got another car, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the camera up, give y'all a few exhaust clips. We'll do a walk around right quick.